How to download YouTube video. If you want to be able to download a YouTube video, all we have to do is launch the YouTube application, and this is the interface that we will see, of course. Now what we will do is we will simply go to a certain video that maybe we would like to download. So I'll just go ahead and search for my own videos over here that I want to download over here. So I'll just go to its channel page and I'll choose a certain video that I might want to download. Once I've chosen the videos, you can just get through with the ads, by the way. So I'll just wait until the ads are complete. And whenever you look at the bottom, you will see a download button. Now remember that not all the videos will have this exclusive download button. Some videos might require that you have a YouTube Premium to download in HD format. But for most of the videos on YouTube, you can tap the download button here like this, and you can choose low or medium quality. But for high definition quality, you will need to subscribe to YouTube Premium. But either way, once you tap on download, the download process will begin, and you can find your downloads on the library tab, and you can scroll down and you'll find download section where you'll find all of your downloaded footages. This way you can download YouTube videos. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.